generator of 62.5 kVA. 62.5 kVA. From here we are taking input current and we are connected this through a cable to our stabilizer. And from stabilizer, the supply has been connected to our VFD, variable frequency drive. That you can zoom in. From variable frequency drive, the cable is connected to the 30 kilowatt gear motor, and the reading is reflected here.
Mobile.
It is showing, the energy meter is showing the readings as follows. Hertz 49.08 hertz frequency, and ampere is 34 in 3 phases. It is 34, and voltage is 240 and 240 in 3 phases. So the 3 phase voltage is 416 and 415. So the 3 phase voltage and single phase voltage is clearly indicated, and kilowatt considered here is 7.4, 7.3, 7.4. It is varying between 7.4 to 7.8 kilowatt and kVA. So this is the load consumed to run the 30 kilowatt gear motor. From the gear motor, the supply is traveled to rotate these gear wheels designed by us. Here if you can see, the gear motor has a 18 RPM rotating the first wheel. The first flywheel is of 1.8 meter in dia, weight 200 kg, RPM 1 to 18 RPM. At max we had put at 18 RPM. Acceleration time we took is 30 seconds. Now from here the connection is further connected to gearbox. Gearbox capacity is 30 kilowatt, ratio 1:10, speed increasing ratio. And from gearbox, the speed, if you can see the shaft, it is 10 times more than the speed of this shaft. So the second flywheel, it is of 2 meter in dia, 10,000 kg, which is 10 ton, which is rotated at 180 RPM. And now the 180 RPM flywheel is connected to an generator of capacity 15 kilowatt, 24 pole. RPM is at max for 400 RPM designed, which can give 1000 VDC maximum and 690 VDC minimum. The generator is rotated at 400 RPM to 250 RPM up and down. Now the voltage, the output cable is connected to the load, and the load, if you see, it is clearly indicating through this energy meter where the frequency is 36 hertz, ampere, voltage is 211, 207, 210 volt in single phase, and 362, 361 and 365 in 3 phase. And kilowatt, power factor, kilowatt, change it to kilowatt. Now if you see, the energy meter is reflecting kVAH 15.3, 36 hertz. And ampere is 33 ampere, 32 ampere in single phase. And second one is also 32, 29, 32 amperes. And voltage is 211 in single phase, 207. Average voltage is 209 in single phase. And 363 volt in 3 phase. Now the kilowatt will come forward. Now the kilowatt, if you see, it is 13.16 kilowatt. If we compare with the input, it is higher side. It is almost double the input consumption. So that's how we are generating more energy using entire flywheel gear mechanism and flywheel technology. Thank you.